Alright, coming at you with another update on the 240SX. Got the old engine out. Yup. Got the intake manifold, exhaust side, turbo, all that swapped over from the old blown engine onto this one. I had a tubular manifold I was going to use. I decided not to. I didn't want it to crack once I get this thing in. I don't want to be messing with it no more. I want to ride out. Last thing to do before it goes back in is get the transmission on. Waiting on a clutch alignment tool. Did come with a Jim Wolf Technology lightweight flywheel, but a factory clutch, factory pressure plate. I think I'm just going to put the factory one back on. I don't have the funds right now to buy another clutch, so we just going to roll like that. Yep, still got the tractors. We'll be getting some more videos of them later on. Alright, I'd like to give a shout out to a good YouTube channel. He's going places, just not very big right yet. Channel's called Boosted Hooligan. Got this turbo right here that I'm not using. Some type of T28. Let's see if we can get it out there to him. See if we can get it out there to him. He can make a little bit of big boost. Well, bigger boost. Yep. Well, it's coming along. We'll definitely get some more videos as it goes by. Later.